Okay, so I am going to show you how to create an awesome overview email page by using the highlight image option. So what you do is you come to your shoot, you come down to your galleries, you hit edit gallery. This is where all your images are stored. So what we want to do is we want to go down to our class photo and click the little highlighted, the little star image to highlight this image on our overview page. Okay, and then we'll go to our next gallery. We do the same here. We go to the edit image page. We click star on our class photo or whichever photo you want to highlight. And then you go on to your next gallery. Shoot down to the bottom here to highlight our class photo, because I think that's what will be cool. And then if you click on this button here that says shoot overview, you will see that the link that you send your school will have a class photo of each or whatever image you've chosen as your highlight image on the overview page. So it looks super cool and professional. I hope that makes your galleries that much more professional. Okay, bye.